Hey everyone, I'm Helen Panza and I'm your instructor for Business 105 Intro to Business here at Bryan University, beginning on Monday, where are we? July 17th, 2023. It's going to be a fun 8 weeks. We will be together. And I want to let you know through this video how you can be successful in this course. Organization is key. Please check your calendars, your personal calendars, and block off times to work on your class. Set a reminder, something that tells you, oh yeah, I said I was free at this time and I'm going to spend an hour on class. You're going to need lots of that during the week. Your class is composed of Learn-Its, which is a unique way of learning online here at Bryan University. Students seem to love Learn-Its. We also have assignments. We have live sessions where we'll meet in person once every other week, and you have your choice of a couple of sessions, which I'll let you know about in a moment. You have a book. Make sure you register for Bookshelf and get a hold of your book. And you also have Yellow Dig. Yellow Dig is our social media platform for learning. We'll be sharing ideas and thoughts about topics that aren't necessarily presented in your book or in your course. And you'll get points and credit for that. So join me at our first live session, which will be held on Tuesday evening. That's 5 p.m. Pacific time. Or if you can't make that one, you can come on Wednesday morning. And let me check my calendar so I get the time right. Wednesday, July 19th at 7 a.m. Pacific time. Do the math to get to your own time zone. Or better yet, sign into your course as soon as you can and look under web meetings to find the links and the times of your live sessions with me. We'll be going through a lot of expectations and reviewing information on your course in our first live session. You will enjoy it, I'm sure. Join me then. Meanwhile, sign into class, get comfortable, and I will see you soon.